Here's the news of the day.
Volatus Aerospace is partnering with RigiTech to deploy the long-range Eager drone, expanding medical delivery services to remote areas across Canada and beyond.
James Viola has been named President and CEO of GAMA, bringing decades of aviation leadership from the FAA, VAI, and the U.S. Army to guide the industry's growth and innovation.
Chinook helicopters received the 2025 Transport Canada Aviation Safety Award for its leadership in flight training and commitment to advancing safety across Canada's aviation sector.
Dallas Avionics equipped Life Flight's Airbus H135 with advanced tactical systems through QAI Aviation, supporting emergency medical missions across the northwestern U.S.
Electra has secured 2,200 pre-orders worth $9 billion for its EL9 hybrid electric aircraft, which takes off in just 150 feet and enables low-noise, regional air mobility from compact sites.
French startup Move is launching an AI-powered booking and scheduling app for Part 91 operators in the U.S., partnering with Wonderful Aviation and PrismJet to streamline complex flight operations.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.